Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manish Kumar Tripathi. I am a student of Form D PB first year at Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. I am going to discuss about the COVID-19 disease which is caused by the SARS-CoV virus 2, and it is first reported from the China at Wuhan city, and it is spread all over the world. In India, there are many cases reported and many people affected and dead by this disease. This is the very infectious disease. It is spreaded person to person by the droplet, and it affects the lungs of the body. Now this time the treatment is the vaccination is available to cure and prevent the disease. Vaccination, there are two type of vaccine is available in India. One is the Covaxin and second is the Covidshield. Covidshield is a a better response than, and Covaxin is also a better response. In a first dose of Covidshield, many type of antibodies produces 70% of antibodies produces by the Covidshield vaccination. And in a Covaxin, when you take a two dose of Covaxin, then you shows a 80% of the antibody production. So now I'm going to discuss about the which type of coronavirus, how it is structured. Coronavirus is the round shape structure and spike protein found in the upper surface of the coronavirus surface. Spike protein, when bind to the human body receptor, it enters to the lungs and it affects the lungs. So if we want to cure and prevent the coronavirus to enter the body, we have to be taken a vaccine. What the vaccine do with your body and vaccine? So listen here. Spike protein found in the structure of the coronavirus. The spike protein bind with the receptor. If we stop the binding of the spike protein to the receptor, so we will be cure the body with the coronavirus disease. The antibodies, when being with the vaccination, there are many type of antibody when produced in the body. That antibody go to bind with the spike protein and it block the binding of the receptor. This type of mechanism used to cure the disease by the vaccination. Now this time there is no any treatment available like a medicine and other. Only symptomatic treatment is found in India and other country. So take a vaccine and do the hygienic things like a hand wash, wear a mask and etc. So thank you very much.